The birth of John the Baptist is the dawn before the sunrise. In a world wearied by silence, this prophetic cry pierces the air. The aged Elizabeth gives birth, and neighbors rejoice. But the true marvel is the entire divine orchestration of salvation history. John's name, announced by the angel, meaning Yahweh has shown grace, shows in his conception. Elizabeth's barrenness mirrors Israel's former desolation. The birth of John the Baptist signals that the life of grace is returning to the people of the covenant. Hence, when Zechariah writes his name is John and his tongue is loosened to proclaim the mercy of the Lord, Jewish tradition held that when God acts, human testimony must follow. That's what was happening here. The birth of the forerunner elicits praise. In the pattern of salvation and the covenant, John bridges the old and the new, the last prophet and the first witness to Christ the Messiah. His birth testifies that divine love prepares the way long before fulfillment is seen. The love of God that we experience in Advent is not ethereal because it is personal. And therefore, it acts, it sends, it restores, it heals, it fills. The love of God is patient, waiting through the centuries of exile to reawaken the hope of his children. The birth of John is a covenant promise made incarnate, that every divine silence hides an impending and future word and work of divine providence and mercy.